But Zamir Kayende Methodist are sorry Sawada one sir because they are experiencing declining. They are sorry kufuma sorry be wadodore concern. Methodist are sorry sorry to them in Penya sorry to them and they be no dom where you feel more.
There's a generational gap. We want them to like our hymns. But the Bible even says sometimes sing a new song. Another branca. The other ones who allow a new song won't pin it down. And I was to say, I saw no, I'm not some class.
Everyone what from a DJ Paco Rich, the fancy YouTuber, the whole world fancy Casanoya dead papa into your chichon as a yama or your fell. Baby, I wish Biano Bomazana subscribe what damn channel do na yen church in common. Today, in common ye bezino ye BB of a religion man Canada manatana see. Na wakama tedesta sorry or ya sorry bia. Echo infants many more sorry be ozimupa one of the prominent churches are or the fancy communities in onye Methodist na mara mijine he mo papa or ye Methodist in your friend Kobinebo Edumaze or Gestin Poku yes or ye Methodist in ma papa or bompaya ojedo papa Yesu ekwamu krom kuntu won Singapore or central region and one that will produce salt. One of the early churches are Oberkrum Hwanyi Methodist Church. In Tinghani Narayambu from the Brim and Methodist are sorry the Yemfin Zagwer. Methodist are sorry bia Wabwahin Wayensit and a year upbringing mu. And so the love we have for Methodist Church or a huge. But be someone there and one hour we want to Methodist are sorry moon. Nyimpa hen na wada hu woko Methodist chapel. Ask yourself that question. How many people in a wawu want to Methodist chapel are still woko chapel? A lot have stopped going to church. Na as a youth, another meya bebunin, there are so many concerns and some are martiti if the youth na also for penini bi. Reverend Emmanuel K. My penny full name or Adabraka Secutes. Or the same about you, God. I'm going to play you that video. It makes sense so much. Nyan saw what video but Zamir Kayende Methodist are sorry Sawada one sir because they are experiencing declining. They are sorry kufuma sorry be wadodore concern. Methodist are sorry to them in Penya sorry to them and they are no dom where you feel more. One, there have been concerns of so be wa sorry nimu. Nessa sorry bear for some weeks another unqua sorry. Young boy be wa sorry nimu no unqua sorry. Be on check up on him. That concern has been raised. They are sorry people window what check up on you on WhatsApp. We create a WhatsApp group now members in women Methodist. A fine time near the mountain. Mankasa Crow Amifisopon, one of the iconic church buildings in only the Wesley Methodist Church or Sotpon, or your twin tower. Very iconic. Now mostly so do 31st December. Most of the youths want to go to Methodist Church to do the crossover. Masorin Kawaye adverts nazan Methodist in Nebio, but still the youths we want to go there to cross over. There are so many instances about one asawun pepede asawun akaya haram. They don't want you to dance. One ma sorry na kaya de mbre one sorry kukran sorry see. A sorry keeps going down, and sometimes you know or they are doing am some to nchana ya kana kware ne che nyimpa because Bible na kede ya kazoya achewo nyimpa fa some na obaboa. Innovation is something which is very important, and that is what some of these Pentecostal churches have adopted. and they have seen proper growth in papa and in worrying. Pentecost, what PIWC on our friend Pentecost International Worship Center. First in a Pentecost, I'm bodu kuna katina chapel de ma wotum wotu umpopwe. But the PIWC, I'm on for mesh what it's what the sumo. The church needs to grow. Methodist, asama oye, asori penyin pa odi tugwe. Na infant menu mu na Methodist ye yana asori na. Yes, so ya do Methodist asori na no hu behia dem maba ha fanti YouTube na medza asemi medza tugwa na se ye wono ho anamon bia ye tu ma Methodist asori no wa fana tampefra because Methodist we are losing our members. Asori na akaya nkokra na number 1 sar. When we the youth were born into these churches. Yente your suffers okay.
In addition to whatever my dear brother is sharing with you, the reason why I think that is a personal something. I did a study. I wanted to know about that. What is happening to us? You know, the recent census about our country, if you take your time and look at the figures, I plead with people who are here. You like facts. You are people who like facts. If you look at the recent census, our number from 0 to 39 as a country is about around 75%, 78%. Population, age range from 0 to 39 or 40, around 70-something%. Meaning that those who are 40 and above are only 20-something% in this country. Please listen. No? But we are a church that is focusing on the range that is not alive. What am I saying? We are after adults, and the adults are not there. Those who are 64 and above are only 4% in this country. We don't. You know the life expectancy of men and women. 64 above, only 4%. So what is happening? We are targeting a group that is not there. So what do we do? Because of this, I studied the demography of the Pentecost church. Why are they saying they are growing? You will marvel that they have tied their growth to the demography of the country. If you like it, go and Google and see. For the Pentecost church, the bulk of their number is from 0 to 40. And if you read 0 to 40 in their church, they are 75%. Those who are in the 0 to 40 age bracket, they are 75%. So their children ministry and their youth ministry, they are not playing with it. That was why they formed Pentecost International Worship Center. You know, we want to attract our children to church, but the older ones wouldn't allow. Our children don't like what we like. Are you hearing me? You all know there's an age bracket and there's a generational gap. We want them to like our hymns. But the Bible even says sometimes sing a new song. And the older ones who allow a new song won't permit that. And I was saying, no. So your children don't like your church. Ask yourself, why is it that your children are not coming here? Where are they? Ask the person sitting by you, where are your children? They are not coming here. They don't like us. They say we are boring. If we attempt any little change, some people will resist. Who are we targeting? Those we are targeting are not alive. They are not here. Those who are down there are many. Methodists will establish a new church. They will build a church for the adults, no church for the children, no room for them. And the children will be meeting under trees. Haven't you seen that? We are always targeting the group that are not alive.
Do I need to even say more? These are words of wisdom. Yet why then? The last time I was for CB exam, so more kada Methodist University. What done some man Morocco. A kwana minem podzer ko Methodist University na me way. But let's leave that for another day. Let's concentrate on the church. Yama sounding a lively sub in the GTV impo. Because of how vibrant and experienced the social admin manager is. Waba ma GTV is so attractive, ma. People are paying for TV licenses. When you give people value, they would pay, they would patronize you. And that's exactly what I have to tell the Methodist Church. I mean, papa ya Methodist in America Methodist are some no say. It could get better than how it is. Eboko Methodist are sorry bimino. Wabama youngsters na ye ushers na mami penyin 50-something years, 60-something years, she wants to be the usher of the church. How? Even the pattern of playing music, we still want to keep that old way. Open kind classics and vintage stuffs are not beautiful. They are beautiful. Nansu wamanya nyamonya konda no nyade ye yetete kwa fo. Ande ye ya dada fo. Yama sorry ni nyini yama sorry nya fell. Wamonye kwafo ahuwa ho wonkere me yama Methodist ni na Morocco Methodist asor. The only church ani logo hu the Ghana dem across the fin Ghana Methodist Church. 1835 asor no be small church ah. Oida ya tutuna asema asor ni bibia ya basa. Zo sede ya ma asor no zimu Kenya ma youngsters and will patronize the church. We will. If Methodist has been very active and why any nyama biye and Kenyan de ma sorry twatwaba nkitse bi worry ya wam komagis what to tuneti what digun kofu won with fake miracles and fake doctrines. Wama asama sofu pain king yamfani mu aba yamfani mu afutu na yamfa bi nhye ya na adwenem na yambo amama Methodist asori no nyina wa from a park to the rich. I have fancy YouTube and you might call YouTube na search fancy YouTuber na follow me na yen cham fan san komo zo hia no fatan yenka from a park or rich me the masam besia za also a one opinion a one shared right here on this platform befia makawa.